Hello guys, how are you? So here I came up with a new video. Someone who is interested in Apple products. So it's all about Macbook Air. So I just wanted to know you guys the long-term review of MacBook Air, which I took before almost 9 to 10 months. Yeah. Okay, so I'll tell you how MacBook Air, how smooth it is, and what are the accessories you can use to protect it from scratches. You can see it's all new as it was before 10 months or almost 1 year. It's going to be. You can see. So, all right. So I'll show you which case also I'm using on the body of the front side. So here it is. If you have a MacBook, surely you can use this kind of cases. So there will be a small cutout for Apple logo, so it will seriously keep your MacBook safe. And I'll show you the back side also, the downside. It will protect your MacBook completely. So here you are getting a rubber kind of stands here. Okay, and I'm using since a long time, so I can really say it's a awesome machine compared to I used Dell, I used HP. So once you buy this, no need to go again and again for any other brands or any other laptops. Okay, so here I'm using this cover for the keyboards, so which will protect your MacBook keys. Okay, and the sound is coming from the keys only. I'll show you. So it's really awesome machine. I'm very much happy. And here also I'm using some cover guard, screen guard, you can say. Here I have a screen guard. Also here for touch also I'm using, you can see I'm using a cover, and here also see. So on your daily usage you won't get a single scratch. As you can see, it's almost new only, there is no scratch at all. So I'll show you how sound. Okay, so here it is. So you can see the sound and listen to the sound, how it is.
भाइयों और बहनों, साथियों और हम वतनों, हमारे सीमा पर जबरदस्त हमले चीनी फौजों ने किए।
So the sounds are coming from here, this side. It's brilliant. The sound is almost like being from the beach.
"25 million years ago, a new species appeared on Earth. The great apes. They were our distant ancestors. Through evolution, they gave rise to new, more advanced species. They'd ventured far and wide and invented hunting, power, tools, love, and soon war."
So guys, there is no need to say anything about the OS. You know how the Apple products are on the OS. So it's pretty fast and smooth after 1 year also. So if you are really going for a Mac PC, MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, which is going to come, or which you have already, they are really fast and the quality, there is no doubt. So you can go for it. And if you want any accessories and all, I can give you the links. If you want the links, please comment. I'll give you the links where you can get those accessories for your MacBook, whether it is screen guard or these body panels and the front and back cases, so it will protect your MacBook for long years. So MacBook, if you are taking, there is no need to worry. Trust me, you can take MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. MacBook Air will be thinnest one, so like this much it will be. That's all. So guys, thank you so much for watching our videos, and we will be bringing new videos in the coming days. And if you want any reviews on any other product, just let us know, please like, comment and share. We really need your support and love. Thank you so much. Good night.